Hi guys, I have beans flour here. I want to whip up akara very quickly. I'll be using beans flour for this akara. I have a video where I uploaded how I made this beans flour myself. Check my videos. Okay guys, I brought out this bay leaf. I use this bay leaf to help it have a longer shelf life so that weevils do not penetrate. Yes, the smell of bay leaf prevents this. So I'll be using 2 cups of flour, that is beans flour, for this particular recipe. The basic ingredients here are salt and pepper. I personally do not like to see onions in my food, and that's why I normally skip it. But if you love onions, feel free to add onions as toppings or inside it. But it's my choice not to add onions. So salt and pepper are basic to me. Another point to note is that while adding pepper, please be generous. Akara consumes or absorbs a lot of pepper. So please be generous if you want it to be spicy. Then I'll be adding water. Check caption or check the description for the recipe. And also, if you look on the screens, you will see me displaying how I added this. So guys, stay tuned. Watch to the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer you. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. If you're an old subscriber or a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in. So guys, enjoy.